How to use Target gift card online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to use your Target gift card online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.target.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Target. Make sure you are logged in firstly in order to be able to use the gift card. You can log in by tapping on the sign in button, or if you do not have an account, you can also create a new account. Now, to use the gift card, you need to have a few items in your cart. So go ahead and select the items you want to purchase and then tap on the Add to Cart button in order to add items to your cart. Once done, tap on the View Cart and Checkout button. In the left side tab, firstly, check for the items in the cart and make the necessary changes. You can add or remove items. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the product. Once done, tap on the Continue to Checkout option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for gift cards. Tap on the Add option beside that. You will be asked to enter the details on your gift card, so go ahead and add the card number and then add access number. After entering the details, tap on Add Gift Card button, and with this, the gift card will be successfully added to your Target account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.